Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And in this video we are going to talk about two stocks, although there are three as you can see on the headline, but we will going to speak about Bloom Energy and Plug Power, where there is a rating upgrade. Now if you are looking at this press release, what you can see here that the investment bank last night had started covering Bloom Energy with an overweight rating, and it has given Plug Power with a equal rating. Now what they are saying is that if you look into Bloom Energy as well as Plug Power, they have market presence as well as they has a visible growth trajectory. Now I don't want to talk about fuel cell and why it is going down, because see, the thing is market looks stock in a different way. It's not only related to rating upgrades or downgrades, but yes, they have an impact, and they will probably give you that extra impetus when the stock is moving either on the upside or on the downside. Now this is what we can see on the press release, but if you look at the chart, so we are going to talk about Plug Power and Bloom Energy. So although there is a overweight rating, or you can see a equal weight rating, but the chart will say something else to you, right? So this is the stock of Plug Power. So this is the stock of Plug Power, which you can see. Now if you look at this price, you will definitely see that the stock is going down, and we are talking about the monthly chart. So if there is a neutral rating, a positive bias, then we better look into those support levels, which could be the probable buy zones if you want to trade in this stock. So what you can see here is these two levels, which will probably work as your support level. So 14.11 and 11.65 on 68 on the downside. So these will be your two buying zones if you're looking at Plug Power, but don't try to go below 11.68 on the downside. And as far as the upside is concerned, what we are going to look at will at least be a retest of its previous high that it has made at around $77. So this is what we can see here right now. But as I told you, rating is a different thing, but price movement is a different thing. So you better watch your important support and resistance level before jumping into the stocks. Okay, one should not simply buy and sell the stocks because of press release. As I told you, they definitely have an extra impact, but it's not worth to only consider press release and to decide the trend. Okay, now there is another stock which has an overweight rating, which is Bloom Energy, right? So Bloom Energy Corp, and if you are looking at the price chart of Bloom Energy Corp, so we have a very less amount of data for this particular stock. As you can see, we have hardly 2 years worth of data. So what we can do here is trying to find out its important support level. So if you can see the price trend of this particular stock, it is already trading very near to its 200-day moving average. So 200-day moving average is anyhow a big support level, right? So the current level which you can see in this particular stock is actually a support level. Why? As I told you, this is trading at or near to its 200-day moving average, but if it falls below this level 21.87, you will have your big support at 14.26 on the downside. So this is what you need to look at whenever you are looking a probable buying zone for this stock. Now these are the two levels that you need to look at on the downside as your probable buying areas. But let's say we don't know whether it will make a bounce back from 21.87, or whether it will come down to 14.26. But there are two things. First, don't try to go below 14.26 on the downside, and as far as the upside is concerned, whenever it will resume, it will give you a target, a long term intermediate target, which will be in between 64 and $83 on the upside. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.